They go test Mohbad mother and Liam to get it. Iyabo, you are an evil woman. Iyabo, what killed Mohbad? What did this girl tell you? Say by Mohbad at this point. Iyabo said, privately, she has done it. Na Mohbad blood. When she said na Mohbad blood, I was like, okay, bless say they don't do them. They don't go do the test, na Mohbad get them. But she now said something. Mohbad mother and son were used for the test. Mohbad bastard father is fighting a lost battle on arrival. Let me go back. Mohbad mother and son were used for the test. Iyabo Ojo, what paternity test will they do with a woman for paternity test? When you say Mohbad mother, they go test Mohbad mother and Liam to get it. Iyabo, you are an evil woman. Iyabo, tell Nigerians how it is possible that they use Mohbad mother to test Liam and it can't show say na Mohbad be the father. How did they use mother for paternity tests? Iyabo, how is it possible? If you can lie about this, you have been lying about a lot of things. Iyabo, why are you protecting this girl? Iyabo, what killed Mohbad? What did this girl tell you? Say by Mohbad at this point. What did she tell you? How is it possible? I want all the doctors for Nigeria. All the people who don't insult VeryDarkMan since. All the women who don't insult VeryDarkMan since. Today, you have your time to prove VeryDarkMan wrong. Tell me how it is possible to know the paternity of a child by using his grandmother to do it. How is it possible? You evil people, Iyabo. And you have children? You claim to be a mother? Somebody became by you, they obstruct justice by siding with this girl. If you can lie about this, you have been lying about a lot of things. Use everybody, all the people in this group have been used. Iyabo, it is simple. Please tell Nigerians how it is possible. Say they use Mama Mohbad. Take test Liam, where discover say Mohbad na father Liam. How is it possible to use a woman for a paternity test? Iyabo, if you can lie about this, you have been lying about everything. You have been destroying the public. You have been pushing narrative and agenda. Iyabo, if you can lie about this, you know more. Iyabo, what thing Wunmi tell you say happened to that boy? Iyabo, now when I stop police from doing the right thing, on that first day, they're supposed to pack everybody, including the girl, until they find out what happened to that boy that day. Baba Mohbad came to the house. Baba Mohbad said, see duvet with blood. Mohbad auntie, that is Mohbad mother's sister, says she see Mama Mohbad wash blood. Says she see singlets with blood for that house. But in all of this, they didn't touch her. They first of all pushed the blame on Prime Boy. Prime Boy that didn't know nothing. Mohbad's wife pushed the narrative on the first day that they took him away from her. And at the end of the day, today, you people are telling me saying a nurse na am. Why didn't they start with the nurse on the first day if you people's hands are clean? If her hand is truly clean, why she no just talk that first day say Mohbad reacted to an injection? Those boys were carrying Mohbad inside car. Where they carry Mohbad from? What's happened for that place? You people kept on lying to the public that they don't inside the group. You say the justice is not only for who kill him, not for who bully him. Push the narrative. Iyabo, if you can lie about this, you were never fighting for justice. You were protecting this girl. Iyabo, if you can lie about this, tell us within that girl, you and that girl, they talk. Tell Nigerians. And again, all the doctors, come and tell Nigerians today, anybody who won't defend this thing, are they ready for now? Come and tell us how they were able to get the right paternity of this boy by using the grandmother. Not just that. Where is this result? This one I want to say when I even do. Where is it? You wicked, evil woman. God forgive you. And you get children? Unless if your hands are clean, even your children go suffer the pain where that boy go through. Unless if your hands are clean, your children self, they're not going to enjoy life. Unless if your hands are clean. But it's obvious that you are lying. So show Nigerians the results and also tell us how you came to the conclusion. Say na Mohbad blood be that. By using Mama Mohbad to do test. Ha! Oh boy! Ha! Ah! Nigerians and sentiments. God forgive you now.